Hi, my name is Octavio, owner of OG Plumbing. I serve the Napa and Sonoma area. At OG Plumbing, we handle everything from residential repairs to commercial projects. We specialize in PEX, repiping, and gas tight systems. For your peace of mind, we are fully licensed, bonded, and insured, and we back our craftsmanship with solid services warranty. If it's not done right, we'll make it right. We are a family-run business with over 20 years of experience. Unlike big franchise, you get a direct line to the owner. We combine old school integrity with new school technology and ensure your home is treated to the highest level of respect. We invest continuous training on the latest high efficiency systems in California plumbing code. Quality starts with people we send to your home. We hold specialized certifications in PEX and gas tight systems for you, the customer, because it means that we use the most durable, leak-resistant materials available today. It ensures your home is up to code and helps prevent costly repairs down the road. I recently helped a Napa homeowner struggling with constant leaks on their old galvanized pipes. We performed a full repipe, upgraded their system, seeing the relief that they finally had great water pressure in a leak-free home. It is exactly what I am in business. We don't fix pipes, we restore the peace of mind. My journey started 20 years ago. I founded OG Plumbing in 2017. I started the business to provide an honest, quality trade for my customers. OG also stands for the original standard in quality I've spent in my career building it here in the North Bay. If you need a plumber, call OG Plumbing in the original standard of quality that we provide.